How to turn on comments, push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on comments, push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find settings and then notifications, and as you see here you will find comments. Just click on it and you will find here this one, push, turn it on, and now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.